Hi guys, my name is Antonio. So in this video, we will be talking about draw. So let's go to the tutorial.
Today we're going to start exploring the tools in Drawing 3.0 and what has changed from the previous version. Let's explore it together. The Tools menu is located here on the left side of the screen. It includes pointer, draw, angles, ruler, seams, text, border, corners, edges, and profiles, and products and services. Let's begin with the Draw tool, which is responsible for shaping the countertops. And while we do that, we'll also talk about the pointer. When you click on Draw, a step-by-step guide appears showing you how to use the tool. If you don't want this message to appear again, simply check the Don't Show Again box. If you'd like to read more, click here, and if you click the X, the message will close. Alright, let's move on. When you open Draw, you'll see three options: Square, Circle, and Points. You can switch between these three modes at any time. With Square, you can design countertops or islands starting from rectangular shapes. Remember that we configured the square size in the settings tutorial? If you haven't watched it yet, click the card above. With Circle, you can simply draw circular shapes like round tables, islands, or custom marble pieces directly in your project. And with Points, you can sketch the countertop lines freely as if you were drawing with a pen. Feel free to design your projects with any shape this tool unlocks. If you select the pointer tool and left-click on the drawing, an action menu will appear. From here, you can view measurements, generate a template, use the template tool to save a specific countertop you use often, rotate to the left or right, copy, then left-click where you want to place the duplicate, and delete to remove the selected countertop. With the pointer tool, if you click on a line, another action menu will appear. For circles, this menu is called Arc. For squares and points, it's called Line. Here you can edit the size, adjusting the length and height of the selected arc or line. You can also add splits to create control points. These points can be moved in any direction, allowing you to create different shapes. If you click directly on a point, a trash icon will appear so you can delete it. With delete, you can remove the selected line or arc. Keep in mind, though, that a circle cannot remain with just one arc, so if you delete it, the entire shape will be removed. With squares and points, it works differently because they contain multiple lines. And finally, we have size, which hides all the measurement numbers that appear in your project layout. So if you prefer to hide them, you can click here. You can adjust your project's measurements at any time by clicking on them. Remember, this value refers to the length on the horizontal axis and the height on the vertical axis, and entering any value you want. For example, I'll set this line to 140. When you use Find Control during a measurement change, you decide which side of the line moves. The right point, which is point B. The left point, which is point F. Or even both points that connect the line you're editing. Otherwise, there's this orange button right here. When you change a measurement, it pushes the entire neighboring line together like this. Something really exciting is that now the drawing follows the camera in every direction as you drag with the mouse, making it much easier to work on your projects. And with zoom in and zoom out, you can adjust the view for better visualization. Keep the map active in the bottom right corner to guide you through the drawing space. Hovering over a countertop highlights it on the map. And by holding the spacebar and using the mouse, you can move around the entire area.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact the support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you can go inside SlabWare.com and start a free trial right now.